YouTube, what's good? Long time no see. Apologies for not posting for, I don't know, 3 weeks, a month. I haven't checked. But I promise you that I've got a lot of new videos on the line, so stay tuned. And subscribe if you're watching this video, and if you haven't already, because I've noticed that pretty much 75% of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed to the channel, so subscribe down below. And as I was about to say, a couple days ago I was in Évora visiting some family with my girlfriend, and I was browsing Google Maps and I found a really old, cool looking train station, and I just decided to get in the car, drive there, and I shot 2 rolls of Portra 160 in my new camera, the Lubitel 166p. Focus, there you go. And this is basically a cheap, oldish Soviet medium format camera that shoots 6x6, and it's got a 75mm plastic lens with a 4.5 aperture. And to be honest with you, I left the rolls at the lab this morning. They were developed in like 10 minutes. I was quite lucky, and after scanning the images this afternoon, I must say that the quality increase between 35mm and 120, even on such a cheap medium format camera, is just mind-blowing. The amount of detail and highlight retention that I'm able to get is just amazing, and I'm gonna show you the pictures and the B-roll that I made, and I hope you like it. And as always, I'm gonna ask you to like this video if you liked it, and again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. You guys still here? I just remembered that maybe this time it would be nice for you to comment down below your favorite image of the video. Okay? I'm gonna pin my favorite one on the top comments as well. Okay?